Hello students, now today we'll do sum number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 13.1 chapter exponents and power. Fine. So in question number 4 what we have? Identify the greater number. So the two exponential form are given. So you have to say that which exponential form is greater. For that you have to expand this exponential form. So 4 to the power 3 is what? 4 into 4 into 4. So if you multiply these three numbers, you will get 64. What about 3 to the power 4? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what is the answer then? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. So now, which number is greater? 81. So you will write 81 is greater than 64. So now 81 we are getting it from 3 to the power form, isn't it? So we'll write 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power. Okay. So now let's move on to sum number 3 of question number 4. So sum number 3 we have 2 to the power 8 or 8 to the power 2 is greater. So we have to again expand 2 to the power 8. That means we have to multiply 2 8 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 to 2 into 2 into 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you multiply this, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128, and 128 into 2 is 256 students. Fine. And what about 8 to the power 2? It is 8 into 8, that is 64. So what is that? So which number is greater? 256. So 256 is greater than 64. Now 256 we are getting it from where? Which number? Which exponential form? 2 to the power 8. Now 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 to the power 2. So this is the solution of sum number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 5 of question number 4. Sum number 5 of question number 4, we have 10 to the power 10. That means we have to multiply 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if you multiply this to 10 times, you will get the answer as 1024. And what about this one? 10 to the power 2 is what? 10 into 10. That is only 100. So 1024 is greater than 100. Okay, and 1024 we are getting it from which number? That is 2 to the power 10 and 10 to the power 2. Fine. So 2 to the power 10 is greater than 10 to the power 2. Now let's move on to sum number 5, students. Now this is question number 5. In question number 5 we have to express as product of power of the prime numbers. That means whatever the prime factor you will get, you have to write all those prime factors in the form of power. So product of powers. Now first of all we have to prime factorize 648. Now that would be, this is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 16s are, 2 2s are, 2 81s are. Now this is no more divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 now. So 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, now we'll write all the prime factors of 648. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Fine. So how many 2's are there? 3. And how many 3's are there? 4. So we'll write 3 to the power 4. Fine. This is how we are converting the prime factors in the form of the product of powers. Fine, because we have different prime factors are there. Fine. So this is the solution of sum number 2. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Sum number 3 we have 540. So again we have to do the prime factorization of 540. So it is divisible by 2. That would be 2 70. Now again this is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 135 is a, and 135 is no more divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So we have to write all the factors of 3. 540. 540, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so how many 2's are there? 2. So 2 to the power 2. How many 3's are there? 3 to the power 4. So this is the product of powers of the prime factor of 540. Fine. So now let's move on to question number 6. Now question number 6 we have to simplify it. That means the number is given in the form of exponential form also, and one number is also given. So if we expand this number, what is the number that we get? That is what they're asking. We have to simplify it. Okay, so that means we have to open this whole thing. That is 2 into 10 to the power 3 means what? 10 into 10 into 10. Fine. So if I multiply all these numbers, so you see 2 into 10 is what? 20, and 10 into 10 is what? 100. So 20 into 100 is what? 2000. 2000. Answer is 2000. So now let's move on to sum number 3 of question number 6. Now sum number 3 we have 2 to the power 3 into 5. So how to write 2 to the power 3 into 5? So we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now let's multiply this. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So now 4 into 10 is what? 40. So this is a solution of sum number 3. Now let's move on to sum number 5 of question number 6. Now 5 is very easy. Now 0 into 10 to the power square. Fine. So if you want to expand this also, if you want to expand this, that is 0 into 10 into 10. Fine. So when anything is when any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is the product is always 0. Okay, because 0 into 10 is 0. Again 0 into 10 is what? 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 7. Now sum number 7, what we have? We have 2 to the power 4 into 3 square. So how to write this? That means 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and then 3 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 is what? 4. Again 2 into 2 is what? 4. 3 into 3 is what? 9. Now 4 into 4 is 16 into 9. Now 16 into 9 is what? 144. Okay, 16 into 9 is 144. So this is the solution of sum number 7, and that's it for today's session also students. Thank you so much. God bless you and stay blessed.